Hi again, everybody. I'm going to run down and take a quick look at the neighbor's house. They've been working on that for, I would say, about 4 months now. And it's interesting how they build it. Everything is done. There's no machinery here at all. Everything is done by hand power. Every bucket of concrete's been carried even up to the second floor. Their budget for the house, I think she said it's about 20 to 25,000 US dollars. So roughly about $1.2 pesos before the whole thing is complete. So you can build yourself a decent house for decent money. So let's go and take a look. Ah, look, they got the stairs now. That's good. I see, that's really good. Who's this? Who's this little boy?
You're Janice.
Yeah. So let's go up here and have a look. Up to the second floor. I didn't know they had got the stairs in already. Better watch out. You get. They're welding in they're welding in the roof as well. So that's going to be interesting. So how many days now you have roof? 2 days?
2 days.
Huh?
2 days.
2 days you have roof. That's cool. Yeah, so and here we have the owner. You're the boss, right? No, why not? Why you're not the boss? Who is the boss? Your daughter? Yeah. They had a really small little house before. Yeah, so how many bedrooms? A small bedroom back there also? It'll be 3 bedrooms. That's nice. Yeah, let's look at the welder up there. These guys are not afraid, they're just climbing everywhere. So that'd be interesting. Yeah, very nice. It's coming along. Coming along good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. It's noisy. Yeah, that's nice. So this is the stair. So you'll be a little family room here. That's nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Down here, 2 bedrooms?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. So be like in bed. Right. Uh-huh. Okay. So that goes out to the yard. That door goes out to the yard.
Then.
Yeah. Nice. Be a window up there?
Yeah. Window. That one.
Yeah. Nice. Looks nice. Good job. Good job. What do we got out here? This is parking
Parking bicycle.
for all the motorcycles,
Bicycle, bicycle.
right? And then you have a bathroom back there. Not a bathroom, yeah. Shower.
Shower.
Yeah, good. Very nice. I like it.
Your feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, white shower. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they've been constructing now for about, I would say, how many months now? Do you start December?
4.
You start December, right?
4.
Yeah. Yeah.
6. 6.
2 more months, you think?
Yeah.
And then it's done? Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
Happy.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, more space. You big family. You have a big family.
Hello.
How many people? Your daughter live here?
3, 4 daughter.
Right.
12 hapo.
12?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wala yung daughter ko.
Yeah.
Yung hapo ko, 12.
Yeah. That's nice. Yeah, that'd be nice for you to have a little more space and everything. So that'd be good. Here's the water boy.
Boy, kasi niya po danom kaya tama. Danom. Okay, wait.
Here's the water boy. I think we are okay. We are okay with water. Maybe tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
All right, that was the tour. Hope you can hear me. There's playing some karaoke out here today. I guess they have a birthday party or something. But anyway, I'm pretty fascinated on how they work and build a house, how they work it, you know, all by manpower. The only time I think they had somebody come in was actually when they did this with imported concrete for the platform and the foundation, and that was in the second floor on the second level. That's the only time they actually had a concrete truck in here. The rest is all hand carried, buckets of concrete they mix on the road, and then they bring it up the stairs or take it up by a rope. And I've seen all kinds of cranes, human cranes I would say, call it, and it's fascinating how they do it. Anyway, thank you for watching. It's just a little neighbor house construction update. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe first and foremost. If you like our videos, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you again for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.